Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sat in the transit, just in the lay-by. I'm on my way to Santapod for a drift day, so I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you around the van. It's now painted. I would say it's finished, and by that I mean I'm finished. I wouldn't necessarily say the job's finished, but I'm kind of good to go. There's some things I'd do different if I was to do it again, but again, these things are trial and error. So overall it looks okay, but it's from a distance it's fine. Up close it's a bit wavy, is the best way I can describe it. But anyway, I'll quickly show you around that, and then I'll show you where it's not quite right and where I'd do things differently if I was to do them again. Right, let's go and have a look. Right, I'm not quite sure how clear it's coming out, but again, from a distance it's okay. So the front's come out well, because that was just new wings, so that was fine. It's still a bit dirty, so apologies, I haven't actually had a chance to clean it. But in essence, the mistake I made, which I would recommend that if you were to do this again, don't follow my method, is obviously I cut out the panel quite substantially, that replacement panel. Some guys did after I obviously made the cut, say I've cut too much. What I should have done is just cut out a very small piece underneath all the body lines, because that was what the nightmare was, trying to line them up and get them flush. So if I was to do it again, I would simply cut a very small section, the minimum amount necessary for the rust repair, and that's it. That way I wouldn't have had all the problems of trying to make sure this is all flush and flat, and it was a lot of work for zero gains. So again, if you're doing something similar in your transit, then let's get back in. There's a tractor coming. If you're doing something similar on your transit, just cut a small section. It'll make filling and smoothing far easier. Anyway, that's kind of it from an update from the van. So it's painted. I'm not going to go over it again and try and make it perfect, because it's a tow vehicle, it's a workhorse, so there's no benefit to me making it absolutely mint. So I'm going to get going now, because I need to get to Santapod before 9:30. But I'll update you on today when I get there. Hopefully drifting goes quite well today. But I'll catch you in a bit. Right, finally back in the queue after a morning of faffing around. I had two issues this morning, which is why I haven't really filmed anything. First, my rear control arm snapped, so that took most of the morning to fix. Luckily I brought a spare. Right, bit of an issue this morning. I broke a tie rod, control arm, whatever you want to call it. This is the second one I've gone through now, so I'm going to have to bite the bullet and buy a branded expensive one, which hopefully is better quality, because these are rubbish. Admittedly they're eBay jobbies, but this is the second one I've gone through now, and I'm getting tired of replacing them. So it's all back together. Thankfully I had a spare, so that's back in now. So it's about lunchtime, so I don't think I'm going to get back out. And literally that broke on the first run out, so I've wasted half of the day. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to get cracking. And the next one, after fixing all that, I was going back out on track just to give it a test, and I went straight, went to turn left, it kept going straight. So the front tie rod came loose and popped out, so I lost my steering. Thankfully that happened before I went out on track, because that could have been interesting. So I've gone back over both sides now and tightened everything up, so that should be all fine. So there's one more group in front of me to go out, and I can get out. It's been a tough morning. Always a drama of something. But anyway, let's look positive. Sun's still shining, still got a van full of tyres, so let's hope we've got no more issues and we can have some fun this afternoon. now. Really good day. Started off quite badly. Had an issue with I snapped a control arm. Then my tyre rod came loose. But after that kind of hiccup in the morning, the afternoon went quite well. No issues. It was busy today, so there wasn't that much seat time. But the seat time I did have, it was really good. Managed to do a few bits of twinning with a few guys, which was nice. Captured a reasonably decent bit of footage. So yeah, overall, really happy. I think in terms of, again, my driving, I think this is probably one of my best days so far, even though it was quite short and sweet. The time I did spend on track, it was really good. Now I need to start practicing a bit on chasing rather than leading. Leading's not a problem, because obviously you just concentrate on what you're doing and the guy behind you's got to keep up. I struggle with chasing and kind of modulating my speed and stuff, but practice makes perfect, so we're just going to have to keep going. But yeah, nothing really to report with the compact, apart from the issues in the morning, so it's okay. Got a few bits of maintenance to do just to make sure I don't have these kind of issues in the next drift day. In terms of the van, as you can see, back to functioning, back to looking kind of okay. Not mint, but it never was mint, so I'm not crying. If I was to do it again, there's lots of improvements I'd make, but I'm not going to do it again because the next van will be a newer van. So yeah, that's kind of it for me today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next update.